Carbide burr die grinder bits are specialized rotary tools designed for shaping, cutting, and smoothing a wide range of materials, with a primary focus on metals. Their robust carbide construction enables them to withstand high-speed operations while maintaining sharpness over prolonged use. In metalworking and fabrication, these bits are indispensable for tasks such as deburring edges, cleaning welds, enlarging holes, and carving intricate designs. Their versatility extends to use on plastics, wood, and ceramics, making them valuable across various industries for both professionals and hobbyists. With precise control and efficient material removal, carbide burrs help achieve smooth finishes and accurate results. Crafted from tungsten carbide, these burrs benefit from a material known for exceptional hardness and resistance to wear. The manufacturing process involves blending tungsten and carbon powders, pressing and sintering them at high temperatures to create a dense, solid structure. Advanced machining shapes the burrs into distinct profiles, ensuring sharp cutting edges and reliable performance. Compared to high-speed steel alternatives, carbide burrs deliver superior durability and efficiency, even in demanding environments. Their robust composition supports faster material removal and longer tool life, leading to reduced downtime and lower replacement costs for professionals. Carbide burrs are available in a range of shapes and sizes, each tailored for specific tasks. Cylindrical burrs are suited for leveling surfaces and finishing contours, while ball-shaped burrs excel at creating concave cuts and intricate details. Oval and flame-shaped burrs are ideal for smoothing curved surfaces, and pointed burrs are perfect for engraving fine lines or reaching tight corners. Selecting the right shape and size allows users to match the tool to the demands of their project, whether it's deburring, shaping, or engraving, ensuring precise and efficient results. Selecting the correct carbide burr is crucial for both safety and optimal performance. Consider the specific task and material, whether metal, wood, or plastic, when choosing the burr's shape and size. Ensure compatibility with your die grinder by checking the shank size and speed rating. Before each use, inspect the burr for any signs of damage and always wear appropriate safety gear, such as eye protection and gloves. Adhering to these practices helps maintain efficiency and safety throughout your work. Carbide burr die grinder bits stand out for their durability, precision, and versatility, making them indispensable for a variety of applications. Their ability to maintain sharpness and deliver consistent results streamlines workflows and reduces manual effort. By choosing quality burrs and following proper usage guidelines, users can achieve superior productivity and accuracy, whether working in industrial settings or projects.